Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a chicken brooder. I hope you will enjoy. This is the brooder. It's a very simple procedure. So we're going to require this plywood. The plywood has a length of 8 feet and 4 feet. So we're going to cut this plywood into two. So we're going to have this upper part and we're going to have this lower part. So as you can see, our plywood has a length of 4 feet. So we're going to mark this point here. This is the point we are going to cut. So we're going to mark 2 feet across the whole plywood so that you can cut it accurately. So we have our two halves. So we're going to use these pieces of wood and they have 2 feet in length. And we are going to use 1-inch nails. So we're going to slightly place it over there so that this other half can be occupied by the other plywood. So we're going to nail it here. So we're going to join the other part of the plywood. We're going to again nail it. Through these points. Again, on the other end of the plywood, we are going to use this piece of wood. We are going to nail these positions. So we have our long plywood. We are going to fold it into two. We are going to join. So here is our brooder, a circular one. It's very strong, it's very firm, and that's how we make a brooder.